Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Rapport and Vincent Keymer. This is a game from GRENKE Open tournament, played in Germany in 2018. Rapport had white pieces and he started with d4. Vincent Keymer played d5. c4, Queen's Gambit, e6 declined, knight to c3. Knight to f6, bishop to g5, pinning the knight, bishop to e7 and pinning. e3, the standard move, h6, asking a question. Bishop to h4, not talking. His mom told him not to talk to strangers. Vincent Keymer castled kingside. Rook to c1, knight from b to d7. c takes on d5, e takes on d5. Bishop to d3, c6, white to move. Bishop to g3 was played. Knight to f3 is the most played move. Bishop to g3, rook to e8 and now h3. If knight to f3, then black can play knight to h5. Back to our game. h3, bishop to b4, pinning the knight, knight to f3, knight to e4, bishop to f4, c5, and Rapport castled kingside. Bishop takes on c3, pawn takes bishop, knight to b6, knight to e5, f6 attacking the knight, knight to g4, c4, bishop to b1, and now h5, attacking the knight, knight to h2. Black to move. How would you continue now? Young Vincent Keymer played g5. Very aggressive move. This is a brave move. Looks like that black will win the bishop at the cost of weakening his king. Queen takes on h5. If bishop to g3, then h4. So we have queen takes pawn on h5. Pawn takes bishop. Black is a piece up, but his king is quite exposed. f3, knight to d6. Well, Vincent Keymer considered knight to g3, and in his calculations this wasn't the best move, although he said computer said that move is okay. But knight to d6 is a pretty good move. Queen to h7 check, king to f8. Queen to h6 check, king to e7. Queen to g7 check, king to e6. Rook from f to e1. It looks like that black king is in trouble. Rook to e7. Queen to g4 check. f5. Bishop takes on f5. Knight takes bishop. Queen to g6 check, king to d7. Queen takes knight check, king to c6. Houdini king escaped the checkmate. Queen takes on f4. For a sacrifice piece, white has 3 pawns. Bishop to e6, e4, queen to g8, supporting the bishop on e6 and intending rook to f8. Queen to h6, pinning the bishop, king to c7, king to h1, rook to f8. Black king is safe now, but white king is feeling less safe. Rook to e2, rook to h7, queen to d2. Note how heavy black pieces are all aiming at the castled white king. King to b8, rook from c to e1, d takes on e4, f takes on e4, bishop to d7, rook to f2, rook to e8, not exchanging rooks, queen to f4 check, king to a8, knight to f3, rook to f8 attacking the queen, queen to h2, knight to a4 attacking the pawn on c3, defending a6 just in case to avoid back rank problems. Deep move. Queen to e5, bringing the queen to an active square but missing something. What did Rapport miss? Black to move. How would you continue? Please pause and find the best move for black. Did you pause? What did you find? Young Vincent Keymer played Bishop takes on h3. Awesome. King to g1. If pawn takes bishop, then rook takes on h3 check. And after rook to h2, rook to g3 and black is winning. The threat is rook takes knight and rook to g1 checkmate. If rook to e1, rook takes on f3. Back to our game. King to g1. Rook to g7. Knight to h4, defending the pawn on g2. Rook takes rook. King takes rook. Rook takes on g2 check. Knight takes on g2. Queen takes on g2 check. King to e1. Queen to f1 check. King to d2. Bishop to g4. Threatening. Queen to d1 checkmate. Queen to e8 check. King to a7. Queen takes on a4. White won a piece and defended d1 square. But this is not enough. Black to move. Black played the move and white resigned. And the move is queen to f2 check. Richard Rapport resigned. If king goes to c1, queen takes rook, check, and black is winning. Wow, that was a very impressive play by 13 years old Vincent Keymer. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.